How to increase your memory? Number 1. Repeat it as often as possible. This is the most important thing for short-term memory and long-term memory. Number 2. Categorize the words. If you need to memorize the following words: tiger, lion, apple, pineapple, rabbit, and blueberry, categorize the words: animals, tiger, lion, rabbit; fruits, apple, pineapple, blueberry. Number 3. Make a story. The story doesn't need to make a sense. A tiger kicked a lion. A rabbit brought apple for tiger and pineapple for a lion. The rabbit ate blueberry. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel. It was Korean Library. Thank you.